really good, man.
I'm not feeling this car.
You're not?
No.
I was gonna buy it for you, but now I was about to buy it from him. He deserves it.
Bro, if you get inside this car and it's like
what?
the hood's longer.
Explain one thing bad about this car.
One thing bad about this car, the hood is longer than the whole car put together. Look at this damn thing. It looks like a nose of an Armenian. From here all the way here, it's like the size of 2 Mini Coopers. The rest of the car, you can't even fit inside. I mean, I'm small, I can't even fit inside. And it's just weird looking. It looks like, I don't know. It looks like they were confused.
What were they confused about?
Everything.
It's better than Sarkis' car.
No, Sarkis' car's nice. Better looking, seriously. BMW's nicer looking, yeah.
Looking, sure, but it's faster.
Yeah. Oh! Somebody just died in the back.
You don't want it? Alright, I was gonna get it from him, but forget it.
I'd rather I drive a 4-cylinder Camry. We're doing a body lift on the car, probably ready before 6 o'clock, so it's 2 o'clock now, so hopefully in about 4 hours we'll have this car wrapped up with the lift. It's gonna look really nice when it's done. True fans. Oh, the guy's right.
What's going on?
Good. What is that?
It's a guitar.
You play guitar?
I'm going to learn.
Can you play it for us?
No, I want to hear it.
I can't do it right now.
Come on, just try.
Try
playing it for us.
No.
Why?
No, I'll sing you a song.
No, okay, fine, sing
Okay,
it.
it goes like this. Here is my handle, here is my spout. Get me all steamed up, try not to shout. Tip me over and let me out. Yeah! There you go. There you go.
Javier one side on the door panel and John on the other side door panel. You guys will knock it out fast. No, he knows he has to get it done. Why do you look like the 50-year-old version of Enrique Iglesias? So we are getting this McLaren just about completed. We're putting all the parts back. We're doing the mirrors right now. This is a pretty nice color. You can't look at it too long because it literally blinds you. It's so bright, very bright. I would probably wrap my car this color. Yeah, definitely.
So much for the green. Almost sunset time, which is almost 5 o'clock. We lose a lot of daytime. We try to finish cars and film as fast as we can before the sun goes down. Doesn't always cooperate, especially with this color, which I'm sure will look crazy on camera, but we weren't able to get a crazy in the bright photo or video. Still very bright. That's how bright it is. With no sun, it still blinds you pretty much. As you guys know, we use a lot of brands. We've been using Hexus for a long time. Hexus has a lot of colors. Their color swatch is crazy. So many colors. This is new. They released this in SEMA 2019, just a few months ago. We're the first company in America to use this, actually. So I know a couple people think it looks familiar to some of the other ones, but this is Hexus's first fluorescent color. This vinyl lasts they say under sun for about 6 months. So you got to know that about this wrap. It's fluorescent. Like some of the other companies out there, they only last a few months if it's in the sun. But Hexus's rest of their line is 6 years. So they have a warranty for 6 years. Really, really good stuff. But yeah, this fluorescent is crazy, super bright. It has a greenish yellow tone to it. It's hard to explain. I would say it's like a neon green. That's how I would probably explain it. A neon green fluorescent. Super bright, goes really well with the carbon fiber. This wrap goes on pretty simple too. It's not anything harder to apply than a standard wrap. Still sticky, stretches, really, really nice stuff. But yeah, this thing, you guys have seen it go from red to that khaki green color, and now this fluorescent green. So this car has an exhaust, tune, it's got wheels, it's lowered, it has a Vorsteiner kit, a 1016 Industries kit. It's got a lot going on. We love it. It's not the funnest thing to drive in LA traffic. Around this time, usually when we film, it has a lot of traffic. So we do what we can for you guys. We sit in traffic for you guys just to film. That's kind of like the behind the scenes thing. It takes a lot to film these cars in Los Angeles. But yeah, check out this interior. It's all black suede Alcantara. Literally every piece is like Alcantara in this car, which is crazy. As Jovid said, it feels like a go-kart. I have the traction on right now because we're not really trying to do anything crazy, as Sarkis would say. We're not trying to drift around Los Angeles, so.
Okay, drift it.
It's four-wheel drive. The 720 is a very impressive car. There's some things about it I don't like. I would choose a few cars before the 720, but as far as performance, you know, everybody goes crazy over this car because it's very fast, and you could tune it and go even faster. So it's a very tuner-friendly car. It's very fast. McLaren still has its kinks, little problems here and there, but really they're starting to do a really good job, especially with the 720. We love the doors, how they go up, obviously, all that stuff. Pretty safe car too. We've seen some in accidents and they've survived pretty well. But yeah, overall it's a great car. I don't know what to compare it to, like the Aventador, but the Aventador is a completely different animal. That thing sounds insane and it looks insane, but the transmission sucks, as you guys know. This thing, my only real concern with the 720 is it doesn't sound very well. A lot of tuners put the burble in there, so there's a lot of popping and stuff, try to get some of that cool factor back, but that's not for us. This car had that before too. We deactivated that in the tune. So yeah, even with straight pipe, they're not the best sounding cars, unfortunately. If I had to choose a car in this category, I mean, I would still choose an Aventador over this because it's crazy and I'm not gonna drive it every day anyways. I would pick this over a Huracan for sure. I would probably pick a Performante over the 720, honestly. It's just a really solid car. But yeah, let us know what you guys would pick over a 720. Just a warning to our customers that our wraps make people flash you. Don't talk instead of me.
Oh my god. Hey, please have him put this on, explain the car. Just like that thing, and then go back to explain it. Here we have cars.
What's wrong with him?
He just pulled it down, look.
Let him explain in Armenian.
Hey, if he explains his car in Armenian, it'll go insane viral.
Alright guys, so I have a piece of the new Hexus fluorescent film right here. As you can see, this side is glossy, this side is satin. We put a film over it. You can't really take it off after you apply it, but as you can see, there's a satin translucent lamination over that. So any color you want, we can make it either gloss or satin. Look how bright that car is. Right now there's no sun, this is nighttime in the back of the shop. We're really happy with this color, super bright. We wanted to show you some new Hexus stuff that's coming out. Hexus has always done really nice true colors, as people are calling it. Like these are all gloss right here, and as you can see, really shiny, really nice, minimal orange peel. Here's a lime green that is really awesome. This would be something, if you weren't doing fluorescent, you could do something like this. Really dope. This is a really awesome blue right here. As you can see, really deep for a wrap vinyl. This is incredible. This is as good as it gets right here. Really bright red. We have like this really awesome forest green with like gold flakes in there. Looks really cool. Some more new colors right here. This is a crazy psychedelic black color right there. And a really dope silver. So a lot of colors from Hexus. This is their book of wraps. I mean, this is, look how thick that is. There's a lot of colors in here that you will surely be happy with. A lot of whites. I mean, look at this blue. Crazy. They even have textured stuff. This is forged carbon right here. We even have white crocodile. So a lot of cool colors. Next time you guys are looking for a wrap, you can check out these Hexus vinyls. There's a lot of different colors. The 720 with a mix of Vorsteiner and 1016 Industries, fenders, hood, bumper, add-ons. Has a crazy amount of carbon fiber on there, as you could tell, even the roof. My buddy is not super careful with his car, apparently. I don't know how he did that, but that's not because the car is low. I know his excuse is gonna be, you lowered it too much, just like his Aventador, but that's not because it's low. That crack is actually like in the middle of the bumper. So that's like, he went into something and hit it. So that's a Vorsteiner lip. That's probably around $6,000–7,000. So we're gonna have to replace that for him later, but yeah, it happens. But look at that color.